Violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. That is to grant the state's motion to adjudicate defendant, to revoke defendant, and to sentence defendant to 3 years TDC.
All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 01078 State versus Joshua Alcarez. Can I have parties announced?
For the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Danielle Cranbrook for the defense.
And are you Mr. Alcarez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
I believe so, yes.
Well, I want to make sure. It's this document that states that you're on deferred adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you catch that? Just 3 missed monthly check-ins, and suddenly the court can drop a 10-year sentence like a gavel. Probation isn't just freedom. It's a legal contract. Break it, and the system comes knocking hard. Do you think that's fair, or just the cost of a second chance?
Are you the same Joshua John Alcarez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 010781 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 1B, 1 to 4 grams on November 19, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Joshua John Alcarez. Defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April, May, and June 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. That is to grant the state's motion to adjudicate defendant, to revoke defendant, and to sentence defendant to 3 years TDC.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Well, in all honesty, ma'am, I was hoping on just a reinstatement, seeing as I've already been put on probation, and it was only 3 months that I had been, allowed to.
Okay, I understand what you're saying.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm not gonna swear you under oath because I'm sure your attorney, maybe she doesn't want you to give testimony. But this is what I want to explain to you. And I want you to internalize what I'm saying, all right? Because I understand that sometimes we want what we want, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But do you remember the date you were placed on probation?
Yes, ma'am.
November?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I remember speaking with you and everything.
Yeah.
As well.
So it was November 19th, 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I am the one who placed you on probation,
Yes, ma'am.
all right? So tell me, what have you done since you've been on probation?
Since I've been on probation, I know I haven't been reporting. You wanted me to get my GED. I have made arrangements with SA leadership.
But no, here's the thing. Number 1, which is free, the easiest thing you can do is report to probation.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't do it.
Yes, I have been slacking on that. I do understand that. But like I said, about the other arrangements, I have a job opportunities on the way for me. I've remade connections with my mother. I have solid living space right now. And again, I have made arrangements with SA leadership. I've been working through Job Corps, through SA Job Corps, day to day. So it's not like I've been wasting time. The reason I haven't been reporting to my probation officer is because I don't really have a solid reason for that. That's the one thing that I've been slacking on.
So let me ask you this, and I want you to think about it. Don't even think about it as though I'm talking about you. Just think about persons in general. All right. So let's say Stephanie Boyd is placed on probation.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And I say, okay, I'll agree with you. I'll be on probation. Don't send me to prison. Place me on probation. So I enter into a contract to be placed on probation. And they say, well, wait a minute. There are going to be conditions with that. You're just not placed on probation and you can do whatever you want to do. You have to report. And then I don't report. And I just continue on as though I'm not on probation. I know that sometimes people wish that their probation was like a municipal court. You know, in municipal court, sometimes you plead to a ticket and they say, just don't get in trouble or pick up any more tickets for 2 years and it'll be off your record or whatever. Criminal court is completely different. There's none of this. Just don't get in any trouble and you're free to not report or do whatever you want to do. That's not the way it works here. And what I will tell you, the easiest thing to do on probation is to report and not pick up new cases. And you didn't report. This whole thing that you're telling me what you've been doing, I don't.
This is where things get real. The judge isn't just reading from a rule book. She's delivering a hard truth. Criminal court is not a casual deal. You don't get extra points for almost complying. In fact, failure to report, that's one of the easiest things to avoid, and he still blew it.
No, probation doesn't know. You know why?
Because I haven't been reported.
We haven't reported. And I will tell you, your attorney has worked out a nice agreement for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know that you truly deserve more than the 3 years, right?
Honestly, I wouldn't say that I do deserve more, but I mean, the agreement is worked out in my favor.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So she's done a great job for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever read that book? I finally read it because I have a niece, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I would always see it when I would go in the bookstore. It would say, give a mouse a cookie.
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, what is this about? So I got it. I'm like, oh, you give a mouse a cookie. You know what that mouse is going to want?
No, you got one more.
A glass of milk.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I want a place to stay. Then I want this. So she has, you're not a mouse, but she's given you 3 years and now you want more.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're not deserving of more, right?
If that's the judgment that you're making, ma'am, then I guess I can't do anything but agree with you.
No, you don't have to agree with me. Sometimes people are like, oh, I'm not in agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But she's worked out this agreement for 3 years. Do you want me to follow it?
I think it would be for the best, yeah.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then the court is going to find violation of condition number 4 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 3, and take it away.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
And if you were a trustee status and doing work over there, you would have 3 for 1. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Get your life together. Do it for your family.
Yes, ma'am.
And if when you're released, if you can't find a place to help you with your sobriety, if I'm still here on the bench, you can come back here. I'll pick up the phone and call a place for you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow. Despite everything, the judge leaves the door open for redemption. Come back and I'll make a call for you. That's powerful. But here's the question. Will he take that chance and change? Or will this courtroom see him again for all the wrong reasons?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You should thank your attorney. She did a great job for you.
Have a seat.
If I could be excused.
Yes,
Yeah, they're gonna.
you too.